Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be checking out P&S Dream Maker. Okay, so as I mentioned, we're going to be taking a look at P&S. Yes, I'm saying P&S, very weird. If you watched any P&S Breakbuster videos with the captions on, it kind of gets the P&S part mixed up. So hopefully we're not going to get that mixed up in this video because that's going to sound very funny with Dream Maker. So this is a new product that has just been released by P&S. It's the McCalls. They have made this Dream Maker. So what this is this is a gloss amplifier, a gloss booster. You're really not going to have any protection in this product at all. They label it as no protection at all, but I do believe there will be some light polymers in here to make the color and the gloss pop on the paint. Don't hold me to that. I am not any way, shape, or form a chemist for detailing products, but that's just something that personally I would think and imagine. But I'm very excited to try this out. We're going to be seeing, does it really boost the gloss? We will be coming in with the gloss meter to see a before and after gloss reading to see what this will boost it to. If it does, how much does it boost it? So I'm very excited to see what it'll do and the results that we'll get. Dream Maker, developed from a McCall detailing team during Monterey Car Week. This is the latest in gloss technology. Dream Maker is an exterior show spray that amplifies the gloss of single-stage and clear-coated paint. Safe for all existing protection, including bead maker, this will continue to improve the look and feel of glossy surfaces. This is our answer to dream cars, show cars, and everyday drivers that need an edge on the competition. Directions. Dream Maker should be applied to a freshly washed vehicle that is free of major contaminants. For dry paint applications, mist 1 to 2 sprays per panel and immediately work the product in with a microfiber towel. Flip the towel over as needed to level the product. For use as a drying aid, apply 1 to 2 sprays per panel and work the product in with your favorite drying towel. Dream Maker contains no protective additives, so towels will continue to be absorbent after frequent use. This product is also suitable on chrome and glass, but should be avoided on matte surfaces. Any overspray can be wiped off with a microfiber towel. So that is what they have to say about Dream Maker. So they are saying that it does not have any protective additives in it, which is totally fine. I am not going for any protection. I want that gloss. I want that next step, that awesome shine, gloss, depth of the paint. So I'm hoping that this product will do it. That's why we'll be coming along and taking a look to see what it'll do. My car has been freshly washed. I do like that this product is basically what I'm going to say, kind of a multi-purpose. You can use it as a drying aid or you can use it on a dry surface. But before we head out and start using this, I'm going to use it in direct sunlight to see what it'll do. And before we get those readings, I do want to give you a second to smash that thumbs up. Every time you guys hit the thumbs up, if you like the video, it helps the video in YouTube's algorithm and it helps the channel out tremendously. Your guys' support is what makes this channel great, and I really, really appreciate all of your guys' support. I also want to say thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to stop in and check out this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell to turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload if you're enjoying this content. And as I mentioned, please smash that thumbs up. If you don't like the video, feel free to give it a dislike, and then also drop a comment down below of your thoughts and impressions of the video, the product, or another product that you might recommend me trying out to use that you like better. So coming out here to get a few gloss meter readings, we'll take one on the fender right here. So we're at 95.3. We'll come back here right above the badge. 96.2. And then we can also do one right on top of the fender here. And we are at 96.3. So the gloss numbers are not bad at all on the Challenger, as you can see. But I'm wanting the extra gloss. It already looks really good, so why not add some more gloss to this thing? So let's see how this Dream Maker is going to do. So as you can imagine, I'm going to avoid the hood because it is a matte surface. We're going to do this fender here. We're going to do 2 sprays as they say. We'll buff it in. We are in direct sunlight, so we'll see how it works. Make sure it's not streaking or anything. I am using just a really nice microfiber that I got from the rag company. Absolutely, I'm loving the microfibers I've got from them so far. So let's see what this will do. So right away, it makes the surface incredibly slick. Very, very slick. I do feel that it has added some depth to the paint, just something that is that easy just to spray on. But it is incredible, absolutely incredible how slick it has made the surface. And like I said, I just feel like it's made that metal flake just kind of pop a little bit more in person. I did not get the top of the fender, so I need to come back in and get that. It's going to be kind of hard because I don't want to get anything onto the hood itself, but I'm going to go ahead and get the top of that. We'll come right back in to get some gloss readings. Another thing I got to add and mention is the smell of this stuff. Smells really, really good. Really digging the smell. It's going on so easy, it's not streaking. There's not any what you would consider a high spot. It just looks absolutely beautiful. So coming in to check out some gloss meter readings, we'll come back up to the top of the fender here. 94.1, 93.2, so 94. That is kind of weird because that is definitely lower than it was. That doesn't really make any sense because this surface looks really good. Coming on the top of the fender, 91.7. So these are the same spots that I took the readings before. 94.1. 92, still lower than it was. That's not making much sense. I don't know why, but as you can see, this thing is like a mirror. It looks really good. It has a ton of gloss. So that gloss meter is not making any sense. The surface is super, super slick. It's amazingly slick. And the reflection is just absolutely incredible. The metal flake, as you can see in the mirror, and the gloss. This product has worked really good. It just does not work good on the gloss meter, which is not everything. But I'm just showing all this metal flake, how much it has just made it pop, how great it looks out here in the sunlight. And the reflection, I can't get over. It's like a mirror. So personally, I'm going to say the gloss meter is not doing a very good at reading, giving me the readings that I want to see, because this surface just looks so good. Taking a look over here on the passenger side, as you can see, the gloss and the reflection is just absolutely insane. Oh, we have a little friend here. I just kind of spooked him. So a little friend hanging out on the video. I feel that this right here really shows that reflection that I'm talking about. So you can see the gloss that this has picked up. The gloss meter, we're just gonna pretend like we didn't have that in this video, because you're not gonna get results like this and not add gloss and shine. It is just giving us some false readings because this looks absolutely amazing. Alright, so there is using P&S Dream Maker. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of this product. It is very strange to me. It is kind of weird. If you have any info or what you thought, why the gloss meter is giving a lower reading than it was before, feel free to drop that in the comments below. Personally, I don't feel that it's that I did anything wrong, because you should be able to use this product in direct sunlight or out of direct sunlight. But it is very strange to me that it does have those lower gloss readings, because the car itself, when I look at it, it looks extremely glossy, extremely shiny, and it looks fantastic. If I didn't have the gloss meter, I would not have this kind of like, why is it doing it? Trying to figure it out, because the car just looks stunning. It looks really good. It has a lot of gloss and a lot of depth to the paint. It's made the metal flake pop like crazy, but for some reason, the gloss meter just isn't reading right. I don't know if it's the gloss meter. I don't have an explanation for that. But what I do have to say about this product is it's a definite 2 thumbs up product. I really, really liked it. I really enjoyed it. It has a great scent when you're using it. Crazy thing is you spray it on as you're just massaging it into the panel, and once you flip that microfiber over to do your final buff with it, you can feel that surface get extremely slick. It gets very, very, very slick under your microfiber towel. It is super easy to use. There wasn't any streaking that happened when I used this, whether I was in the shade or whether I was in the direct sunlight. It went on very easy, it buffed off very easy, and it left the car looking absolutely amazing. Just the only weird thing about it is the gloss meter. So sometimes I feel like adding the gloss meter into the video can do things like this where maybe it's giving a false reading, and I don't want that gloss meter to hinder the video, because personally this product worked so easy. And as you can see, I did not use that much of this product, and that's what I mean by sometimes I feel like adding that gloss meter into the video is kind of bad for the video itself, because the gloss meter in this video for me basically just X all that out. I was going to, but I don't want to edit that out. I keep my videos as true and 100% honest for you guys, and I cannot say that this product knocked the gloss down because the car looks amazing. So the gloss meter on this, personally, just forget all of those readings in this video because it just did not make sense to me. But if there was something that you saw that maybe I did wrong, I don't know how or why, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below. If you want to see some more of this product being tested on the test panel, maybe put up against another product, and there's a product you'd like to see it put up against, definitely drop that down in the comment section below, because I would love to make a video with P&S Dream Maker up against maybe another product, because you are getting quite a few products on the market that is to add gloss, to amplify how your paint looks, making it look good. Most of the others, though, do have some sort of paint protection in them, but this is not about paint protection. This is about making the car look as best as possible, which it has done. But please remember, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up. Definitely helps the video out in YouTube's algorithms. It gets it out there for other people to see. But if you didn't like it, feel free to hit the thumbs down. Drop a comment down below. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload if you're enjoying this content. But I want to thank you all so much for taking time out of your day to stop and check out this video. Your guys' support is absolutely amazing. I love it. It's what makes this channel so great, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. But I will catch you guys all in the next one, and until then, take care. This product is also suitable on chrome and glass.